So today topic is how to create Spring Boot project using start.spring.io. So let's start. First, go to Spring.io. Mhm. Yes, this is the website from where we can create the Spring Boot projects. So there are so many options. So first, project. Project we have you if you want to use Gradle or Groovy or Maven or what what language you want to use. So you can use from your Java, Kotlin, Groovy, whatever you want, or which Spring Boot version you want to use. Yeah, in my case, I'm using 3.0.1. Or here project metadata. So you can mention here the any package name like com.test, or artifact name is then a project name. So we can mention here project name any like demo, mm, demo, demo project. Whatever name you want to mention here, you can mention. Okay. So package name, if you want to change, you can change. Or packaging, you want jar or in the form of var. So you can check both from here according to your needs. Or I'm using the Java 8 here, and for my project, so I'm creating my project for the web development. So here we can select the dependency for web project. So I'm searching for web. There is a web. So here you can see build web including RESTful application using Spring MVC or using Apache Tomcat as the default dependent container. So if you add this dependency, so you can make a RESTful web service, or you can make a Spring MVC project. Or so if we are using Spring Boot, so by default embedded server we will get. So from here we can explore the whatever dependency we added here. So you can see they are the dependency, and if you want to download that project, so download from here. So that's the step to create a Spring Boot project. So in next video I will tell you how to import that project in any ID. So thanks for watching this video.